Nature's Symphony. A symphony of nature plays each night outside my door, an operatic serenade whose movements I adore. It's joined by graceful dancers who perform their lithe ballet, a theater of worship at the ending of each day. I sit in rapt enthrallment through the charmed melodious eve, attentive to the rhythmic tunes and harmonies they weave. Their overture starts slowly as participants arrive to join a grassroots orchestra which slowly comes alive. Each even-fall performer has a part within this show, the bobbing of the fireflies as they cast an amber glow, the flitting of the hummingbird which weaves its fickle flight, the darting of the blackbird through the velvet of the night, the lumbering of the June bug as it drones above the ground, the hooting of a spotted owl which echoes all around, the croaking of the bullfrog with his baritone refrain, the trilling pulse of crickets from their camouflaged domain. The consummate conductor leads this grand symphonic play and oversees each terpsichorean coda and beret. These canticles and anthems cast a calming spell so deep, which soothe my restless spirit while my mind drifts off in sleep.